Picture a land so cold and desolate, yet shrouded in an alluring mystery. That's Antarctica for you. Indeed, the tale of this icebound wonder begins in the year 1820, when the first sightings of the White Continent were reported. An expedition, led by a team of intrepid Russian explorers, braved the treacherous waves of the Southern Ocean. They were the first to lay their eyes on the icy, untouched expanse of Antarctica, a sight that would forever change our understanding of the world. Following this initial discovery, the lure of the unknown drew many more to the unforgiving wilderness of Antarctica. These brave souls embarked on expeditions, armed with little more than their courage and a thirst for discovery. They faced unimaginable hardships, battling the biting cold, fierce winds, and the perpetual threat of starvation. The icy terra incognita was a formidable adversary, but their spirit of exploration refused to be quelled. The tales of these early explorers paint a vivid picture of their struggle. Imagine the relentless, bone-chilling winds that could freeze a man's resolve, the vast, featureless landscape that offered no shelter, and the disorienting whiteout conditions that could leave one wandering in circles. Yet amidst these challenges they pressed on. Each step taken, each mile covered, was a testament to their unwavering determination. They were driven by the allure of the unknown, the promise of discovery, and the innate human instinct to push the boundaries of our world. The early explorations of Antarctica were not just journeys across a physical landscape, but also voyages of the human spirit. They tell a story of resilience and audacity, of men who dared to venture where no one had before, to confront the unknown, and in doing so transcended the limits of their time. From its discovery, Antarctica has held a mystical allure, a white expanse of mystery waiting to be unraveled. This is just the beginning of our journey into the enigma that is the White Continent. A journey that will take us across time and history, science and geopolitics, as we delve deeper into the mysteries of Antarctica. The turn of the 20th century brought with it a race like no other, the race to the South Pole. As the new century dawned, two men emerged from the shadows of exploration, their sights set on the unclaimed, untouched South Pole. These men, Roald Amundsen from Norway and Robert Falcon Scott from Britain, led expeditions that were as competitive as they were perilous. Amundsen, an experienced polar explorer, was shrewd and meticulous. He studied the ways of the Inuit people, learning survival techniques that were key to his success. His team of 5 men and 52 dogs embarked on their journey on October 19, 1911. They faced treacherous weather and difficult terrain, but Amundsen's careful planning and relentless determination saw them reach the South Pole on December 14, 1911. On the other side of this race was Robert Falcon Scott, a British Royal Navy officer. Scott's expedition was a contrasting tale of ambition and tragedy. His team was larger and less experienced. They relied on motor sledges, ponies and dogs, which unfortunately didn't prove as effective in the harsh Antarctic conditions. Scott and his 4 companions reached the South Pole on January 17, 1912, only to find the Norwegian flag already fluttering in the icy wind. The bitter disappointment was soon overshadowed by a greater disaster. On their return journey, all 5 men perished, succumbing to exhaustion, starvation, and extreme cold. This race to the South Pole was more than a geographical conquest. It was a testament to human resilience, ambition, and the relentless pursuit of the unknown. The victory of Roald Amundsen and the tragic end of Robert Falcon Scott's team are etched into the annals of exploration history. Yet, in the grand scheme of things, this was but the beginning. The South Pole was conquered, but the enigma of Antarctica was far from over. The frozen desert continued to beckon adventurers and scientists, promising secrets and discoveries that were as captivating as they were challenging. The mysteries of the White Continent were just starting to unravel. The South Pole was conquered, but the enigma of Antarctica was far from over. As the race ended, a new era dawned, transforming Antarctica into a haven for scientific exploration. In the aftermath of the race to the South Pole, the vast, icy expanse of Antarctica morphed into a vibrant hub of research and discovery. Nations from around the globe began to establish scientific outposts, dotting the stark white landscape with the colourful flags of international cooperation. These outposts, scattered across the frozen desert, represent a diverse array of scientific endeavours, from studying the effects of climate change to uncovering the secrets of the universe. Among these outposts, many have made groundbreaking discoveries that have revolutionised our understanding of the world. Take, for instance, the British Halley Research Station, which identified the hole in the ozone layer, or the Amundsen-Scott South Pole Station, where researchers have been studying the cosmic microwave background radiation, providing insights into the Big Bang and the very origins of the universe. Perhaps one of the most intriguing locations in Antarctica is Lake Vostok. Hidden beneath more than 2 miles of solid ice, this subglacial lake remained untouched by human hands for millions of years. It wasn't until the late 20th century that scientists, using ice-penetrating radar, discovered its existence. The isolation of Lake Vostok presents a unique opportunity for scientists. Its pristine conditions could hold ancient microbes, offering a glimpse into life as it might have existed on other planets. Furthermore, the extreme conditions of Antarctica serve as an excellent analogue for extraterrestrial environments. The dry valleys, for instance, are often compared to the surface of Mars. Research here could help prepare humanity for possible future expeditions to the Red Planet. Indeed, Antarctica is more than a desolate, icy wilderness. It's a treasure trove of scientific possibilities, a natural laboratory like no other. And while its exterior may be harsh and unforgiving, its depths brim with the potential for discovery. In the heart of the frozen desert, science found a fertile ground. In the midst of all the scientific progress, Antarctica became a geopolitical puzzle. A land of ice and mystery, it drew nations into a complex dance of power and diplomacy. The Antarctic Treaty System, born in the late 1950s, was a beacon of international cooperation. It froze territorial claims, banned military activity and fostered scientific research, setting a unique precedent in global politics. Yet, beneath the surface of cooperation, territorial claims simmered. 7 countries laid overlapping claims to the Antarctic territory. From Argentina to the United Kingdom, from Chile to Australia, each staked their claim on this frosty frontier. The treaty did not resolve these disputes, it merely suspended them, like the continent itself frozen in time. And then there's the question of resources. Antarctica, the last frontier, is believed to be rich in mineral resources. From oil to gas, from gold to diamonds, the frozen desert conceals a treasure trove yet to be tapped. These potential riches have fueled the geopolitical interests of nations across the globe, adding another layer of complexity to the Antarctic puzzle. The Antarctic Treaty System has been successful in maintaining peace and fostering scientific cooperation, but the future remains uncertain. As the resources of our planet dwindle, the untouched wealth of Antarctica becomes increasingly attractive. Will the nations continue to respect the spirit of the treaty, or will the lure of untapped resources shatter the delicate balance? The Antarctic Treaty System is a testament to human cooperation, yet it also highlights the fragility of such alliances in the face of potential wealth. The desire for territory, the allure of resources, and the necessity of cooperation create a tantalizing geopolitical puzzle that continues to evolve. In this frozen desert, the world found a new battleground. As we step into the present, Antarctica continues to be a land of enigma and intrigue. In our modern era, Antarctica holds a unique position in the global landscape. This icy desert, largely untouched by human civilization, plays an integral role in our understanding of the Earth's climate. The ice cores extracted by scientists from its vast glaciers serve as time capsules, revealing the history of our planet's atmosphere over hundreds of thousands of years. The data these cores provide are indispensable in modeling future climate scenarios and understanding the potential impact of human activity on our environment. In addition to its environmental significance, Antarctica is also a stage for ongoing geopolitical developments. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in the year 1959, designates Antarctica as a scientific preserve, prohibiting military activity and mineral mining while supporting scientific research and protecting the continent's ecozone. Today, this treaty is signed by 54 nations, reflecting the global consensus on the importance of preserving this pristine wilderness. However, as resources around the world dwindle, there is growing discussion around the future of the Antarctic Treaty. Some nations are eyeing the untapped mineral resources beneath the ice, creating a potential flashpoint for future geopolitical conflicts. Yet the consensus remains strong for the preservation of Antarctica, underlining the global commitment to scientific discovery and environmental stewardship. Meanwhile, the scientific research continues unabated. Antarctica is home to numerous research stations, staffed by scientists from around the globe. They brave the harsh conditions to study everything from glaciology and meteorology to astronomy and biology, providing invaluable insights into our world and beyond. The future of Antarctica is uncertain. Will it remain a bastion of scientific discovery and international cooperation, or will the pressures of resource scarcity lead to a re-evaluation of its status? Only time will tell. Antarctica, a land of ice and mystery, continues to shape our world in ways beyond imagination.